The Kazakh Prime Minister Sadek Akhmetov has instructed the Ministry of Oil and Gas with a number of tasks at the extended collegium of the Ministry of Oil and Gas. Particularly, he instructed not to divide investors in the oil production sector on the foreign and domestic, and to accelerate the development of strategies for oil and gas in Kazakhstan. According to him, it is necessary to create favorable conditions to attract investors, providing transparency at the same time. The Prime Minister also stressed that the construction of the fourth oil refinery in Kazakhstan will entail a question related to the provision of suitable raw materials. However, the head of the government drew attention to the project on Deep Horizons exploration in the Caspian Basin. According to the Prime Minister, it will provide more accurate information about the potential oil and gas pools, attract investment, and continue development.
У нас на сегодня зарегистрировано более 200 контрактов на разведку добычу углеводородного сырья.
As of today, we have registered over 200 contracts for exploration and extraction of hydrocarbons. It proves that we have many investors willing to work. Therefore, the Ministry, in cooperation with Kazmunaygas National Company and other central government agencies and the Committee on Geology, should have a clear understanding in the sector. Our rules should be transparent and understandable for investors. We should not divide investors on foreign and domestic in Kazakhstan. Conditions for all investors must be the same, transparent and understandable. This is one of the main objectives of the government, and we will pursue it.
Одинаковые, понятные и прозрачные.